There are lots of baby birds here. There's a baby woodpecker. The camera was on a silent mode. Now I will close the silent mode. Robin is just right here. I'm trying to take the video of him. I see some white bird here. I don't know the breed of that, but I will try to go near him closely and slowly, because the last time I saw that bird, he flew away and I couldn't take even one good picture. I probably have to lay down on this muddy terrain. Let's not scare away the bird. I'm not sure if you can see it on the GoPro, but he's right there between the bushes. There's always some robins here, so I will try to sneak up on that bird. There are lots of baby birds here. The bird is right behind this bush. It flew away. I need to get better at sneaking up at birds because the bigger birds see you so easily compared to smaller ones. I just found the buzzard that I captured last time in the same place here. I'm gonna try to take video of it. The buzzard just flew away as soon as I set up my tripod. But I think he is sitting in the trees behind this, so I will just try to go beside him. I hate wasting time just to try setting up this tripod. I might get some monopod just because of this, because you just waste so much time. There's a robin flying all around here, but I must have found the buzzard. I heard the buzzard, but from very far away. So I think after landing up on one of these trees, he just flew back on this side. So I cannot find the buzzard here. I can hear some birds here. So first I want to take a look at here, and then I will walk to this side and try to find the buzzard again. It was so unlucky to miss the buzzard in the first sight while trying to set up the tripod. There's a heavy backlighting here, so I will not try to take picture of the birds because it's a waste of time. Right now I'm trying to listen and hear the buzzard. Like few seconds ago I hear it on this side again, so I think I will just start walking. There's a little lake in the middle of this place, and there's a great heron in that lake. It's not even a lake, it's like a puddle. I think he just catch the fish. I will try to get around here, get close to it behind the bushes, because right now he can see me very clearly, but if I go behind the bushes he won't be able to see me, and maybe I can get closer. It's so muddy here. After all that work, he just flew away. It's so muddy here. I can feel the water coming inside my shoes. So I have never been to this place before because I was always taking photos at the previous place. Like, even though it is very close, this is my first time seeing this gate. So I'm just discovering the place with you guys. I walked all around here but I couldn't find anything. Like, the small birds are always around, but I'm trying to find something different today. Because if I want to take pictures of some robins, I can take picture of that bird anytime. If I want to take picture of that, I have a place that I can go every day, and almost at every hour of the day you can find those birds. So because of that, I'm just trying to find the different birds, like buzzard or some heron, or maybe even kingfisher, because I heard that from lots of people. They see kingfisher around these small lakes, so I might see one today. Before going to this way, I just want to see how does this lake look, because it's also my first time seeing it right now. The floor is so soft. I'm trying to walk close to the lake without getting lots of water in my shoes. I missed a bird. The bird was just here. I couldn't see it. It was on the ground and it just flew away. That bird was like a dipper, you know, which they live on the beach. I also haven't seen the bird that flew away before. Like, I have only seen robin, great-tooth, blue-tooth, long-tailed robin, heron, buzzard, and 2-3 birds that I don't know the name of. I can feel the water in my shoes. It's getting so bad. Hi. So I think I just saw a Goldcrest. I'm not sure about the name of this bird, but I have taken picture of something similar, and when I searched it was saying Goldcrest. I was unlucky that someone just walked by here, so the birds just got scared. I think I saw a kingfisher in the water. It's so hard to see it. I was hearing a screaming voice, but I'm looking for which bird is it, or even if it's a bird, but I can't find anything. I have never been to this place, so I'm not even sure which way to go. Okay, I will go here, because if I walk on this way, there's a little chance that I can see some kingfisher. Okay, there's nothing here. I must walk on this side. Okay, I just gave up trying to walk to that side to find the buzzard, because I walked that side before and I walked for like 4 kilometers with this heavy bag, and even when I found him, it was very hard to take pictures because there's a highway near to that place that he always hangs out. So because of the road, you can't even get near to the buzzard. So I will try to take more, I think, Goldcrest pictures here, or maybe some new birds that I have never taken a picture of. Look at this moss. It just looked so cool, I wanted to take a picture of it. Yeah. It's starting to get dark, so I will just start my way back. But maybe the buzzard came back and I will see it, hopefully. It just got so much colder in 5 minutes. I just washed my shoes yesterday and right now they are so dirty. And I think my shoes lost their ability to be waterproof after I washed them, because I can see little parts getting separated after the wash. And also before washing it, it wasn't getting any water into my shoe, but right now I can feel some humidity. Not like actual water, but it feels humid. This part is the worst. The buzzard is here. I'm gonna open the silent mode. It just flew away again. He saw me. I couldn't take a picture. It was in such a good position. Like, even I couldn't plan that position if I wanted to. He was just here and I missed it. He's flying there. That was such a bad timing. I can still see it flying away, and he's flying around on top of those trees in the far away. I still can't wrap my head around that I missed that shot. Like, that will be my best shot if I captured it. I'm just watching the buzzard flying there. And also the weather is cloudy, so it was better than before. Because in the previous time that I was able to capture the buzzard, it was so sunny, and because of that the feathers on the chest of the buzzard got blown out highlights. Even though that's my first time taking picture of it, so it was enough for me. It's not that good for an actual picture. I can't understand how I missed that shot. I will show the pictures. Flying away. Just the back of the bird. That was so lucky, and also at the same time so unlucky. I didn't even knew what to do at that moment, because if I was acting slowly, the buzzard might fly away before I take the, like, even the bad picture of it. And for that reason I moved slightly, not too slow, not too fast, but he was facing forward to me and he just saw me immediately. And they have very good vision, because the previous time that I took picture of it, I was standing here with my camera, like right here, and the buzzard was on top of that tree. So from that far away, he saw me before I saw him. And when I pointed my camera to look what that bird is, I saw that he was staring at me on the camera. Because on the GoPro it looks very far away, but even with my own eyes I could barely see the movement here on that place. So I couldn't even understand what type of bird is it. I needed to take a picture with 600mm and even zoom on that picture place. Is that buzzard? I think so. Yeah, he's flying right here. Where is he gonna land? He's fighting with the crows while flying. So I saw the white bird here again, and I will try to take picture of that. I didn't follow the buzzard because the place that he landed is very crowded. Like, the trees are very crowded. You can't even see 1 meter away of you. And there was a person walking there, and he was gonna probably scare away the buzzard anyway. So I'm trying to get close to this bird. But it's impossible to walk without making sound. I got the shot that he is eating a fish.